Hi, I'm Ryan from Nagios, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 on VMware Workstation. Now, to download the OVA for Network Analyzer, all you have to do is go to the Nagios homepage, go to Products, Network Analyzer, select Get Started. From the pop-up menu, enter in your first name, last name, email, role, country, and agree to the privacy policy and terms of use, and then check the reCAPTCHA box. Once that's been done, all you have to do is go down, make sure you're on VMware, and select Download Now. To install on VMware Workstation Pro, all you're going to want to do is open VMware Workstation Pro. Once in VMware Workstation Pro, what you're going to want to do is go up to File, select Open, get your OVA file of Nagios Network Analyzer 2026. You're going to select it and then select Open. We're going to give a name to our virtual machine. Then we're going to select Import. Once it's done with the import process, then all we have to do is select Power on this virtual machine. Then all you're going to want to do is go to the IP address in the banner. Now, once on this page, you have the option to select a free 30-day trial or enter in a license key. Once you've done that, you can go down to the admin account setup, enter in a username, password, email address, select a preferred language, system time zone, and a user theme. Once that's all done, then you can hit Finish Installation. Now on this page, you're just going to enter in the username and password you set on the previous page. And now you are in Nagios Network Analyzer 2026. And with that, you've successfully installed Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 on VMware Workstation. Now, if you enjoyed this video, consider checking out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. If you have any of our products and need any help, check out support.nagios.com. And lastly, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.